In a small town in the Midwest, there lies a mysterious house that has been abandoned for decades. Locals whisper about strange lights and sounds coming from the property at night, but no one dares to investigate. The house is rumored to be haunted, with a tragic history that has been lost to time. One night, a group of daring teenagers decide to sneak into the house to uncover its secrets once and for all. As they explore the dark and dilapidated rooms, they stumble upon a hidden room filled with old photographs and newspaper clippings, revealing a shocking twist that no one could have expected. The mystery of the abandoned house captivates the viewers, leaving them eager to learn more about the haunting secrets within its walls.